there really needs to be a purpose around a meeting. Too often we find that people, a meeting was established and then it's just there because for a meeting's sake. But really a meeting has an objective in terms of a defined outcome. And really for those participants in today's business world, time is really important. I mean, it's really a perishable commodity in that once we've used time, we can't get it back. And so whenever I'm establishing a meeting in organizations I work for, is that we're respectful of people's time, that there's a clear agenda about why they're there, what we're expecting of those attendees in terms of their participation, what the really meeting objective is in terms of what outcomes we're supposed to get from that. It might be a decision, it could be informational, it could be some other purpose, but we know what we're trying to get. And like a project, we know when we met that and we can be done. And a lot of times we work meetings around the clock. So it's a 30, it's a 60, it's a 90-minute meeting. But that's sort of an artificial objective. It really needs to be as long as it takes to get the meeting done. In many cases, you can be very effective in times less than 30-minute or 15-minute increments. What also is effective in a good meeting is someone is capturing the decisions or the information that was made. It might be in the form of what we call minutes or just notes, but someone's accountable for a record that meeting existed. And a lot of times in most meetings, there is an action or actions are result from that. And it's very clear to those who are taking ownership of that action what it is that they need to be accomplished in terms of that action. And that's also time-based so that people know when they're going to be held accountable for those actions. And those are the results of good meetings. And I think the opposite of that would be the result of bad meetings, where there isn't an agenda, where it's some vagary around what the timing aspects of that are, and that people are really somewhat confused as to why they're there, and more importantly, or less importantly, when at the end of the meeting, they're unsure of what their action is as a result of that. So I think that's a balance between good and bad meetings.